Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Large Cursor on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on VoiceOver. Then scroll down and tap on Large Cursor. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now this is what Large Cursor looks like. So if I turn on VoiceOver, you can see the selected area will be bolder and thicker.
VoiceOver off.
Now if I go down and turn off Large Cursor, you can see now the selected item. So the border will be thinner and not so much bolder. And that's it.
VoiceOver
That is how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Large Cursor on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.